Hey y'all, we finna jump right into this video. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how I bleach, pluck, and install my wigs, and also give y'all a little wig review. I'm showing y'all how long it is. It is 18 inches with 180 density. It is called the Hot Highlight Wig. I got it from Beautyforeverhair. It came with a wig cap and an elastic bands. So when you bleach your hair, you want to like get a wig head and of course flip it inside out as you see me doing. Make sure the hair is secure so it won't slip or nothing when you're gonna apply bleach. This is the bleach I use and everything that you will need to bleach your hair. It really don't matter what type of bleach you use, what brand it is, as long as you can get the job done. When you do your bleach, you want to make sure it's a thick consistency. You don't want it to seep through your hair because then it'll dye your hair, and you don't want to do that, sis. Like, that's not gonna be cute. You're gonna over bleach. Even if you did over bleach like a little bit, you could fix it, but you don't want to do it to where you can't fix it, or you just gonna go out and buy a dye. Like, that's not gonna be cute. So yeah, and also set up a timer, like 10-minute increments, I guess. Like, do that because it'll just help you like not leave it on too long. And if you need to, wash it out, see how it's looking, and then put some more on. So don't use all of the bleach, the powder bleach that's in the packet. But yeah, y'all see what I'm doing. You just want to lather that.
Get it, bitch. Bald head hoe shit. Bald head hoe shit. Bald head hoe shit.
Okay, period. Look at this, y'all. Nice golden tint. I like it like that. It look cute. But now we're getting into the plucking portion. So when I pluck, I pull some of the hair forward. I do little small sections. And that first line of hair, as y'all can see, I am plucking those hairs. So I know my hand gets in the way. I try to help it. It was like weird because of the angle, but I'm sorry about that. After I do that, I go behind the row I just plucked and pluck that, as you can see right here. It's kind of hard to explain. Just like follow my motions, I guess. This is beginners. Like, I'm still kind of a beginner, but I'm getting there. This is what works for me. Take your time doing it, and don't forget to stop every now and then and brush the hair out so you can see your progress. So also another tip for when you're plucking, don't stay in the same spot. Y'all see me moving my hand up and down the lace. This method helps you not create a bald spot. Now, I created a little bald spot. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all, but don't be like me. Like, don't do that. That's not cute. It wasn't cute. I fixed it, you can't fix it, but I made it look okay. So yeah, just if you don't take nothing else from this video, just don't stay in one spot. When plucking, remember that our hair gradually goes back. It's not like a lot of hair in one area. Like, it's just gradually going back into the rest of your hair. Like this side, I'm showing you the plucked version and the unplucked, like this. So you see how this is all blocky and that side is gradually going to the hairline. That's what you want. That's the kind of look you're going for. Yeah, I finished plucking the wig and all that. I put this on while it was bleaching. If y'all want to know how to melt your cap, I will do another video on it. But now I'm gonna show y'all how I apply my wig. We're gonna make this a glueless wig, and we're gonna put this right back. And in order for you to make it a glueless wig, you would need a blow dryer, a comb, you got to be spray, and of course the actual wig. So I'm gonna apply it, and I'm probably gonna do a voiceover, and then for the next half of the video or whatever, I'm going to give y'all more information on this wig. So yeah. Hola, y'all see my bald spot right there? Yeah, I messed up, but it's okay. It's all gonna come together in the end. So I'm gonna adjust my wig to my head so I can have a flawless application when I start spraying the got to be spray. I'm really excited about this hair because, like, I posted pictures on Twitter and they kind of took off, and I've been getting a lot of questions. So I'm just like really excited to share with you guys like my whole process and everything. I hope you guys like really take some good tips from this video because I made it just for y'all. I was thinking of y'all. Like, I just love y'all so much. So yeah. So this part of the video is really important. I don't have a razor on hand right now, so of course you see me using my scissors. When you're using scissors, you really want to make sure you are cutting in a zigzag motion. Your hair naturally is not straight across. It's kind of zigzag, and a zigzag motion will help you create the illusion that is coming out of your scalp. So make sure you do that. To get rid of the white little paste that you get from cutting it, you're gonna spray some more got to be spray on there. I got that shit in my eye, y'all. That shit hurt. But y'all, scalp wet lace, sis. Like, it just seals the deal. And then you're gonna put the I forgot what they call, but you see what I'm doing. You gonna put that on, or you can use a silk scarf, whichever works. Ooh, what I tell y'all, nothing but scalp. Baby, this is now my hair. It's now going out of my head. Y'all can't tell me no difference. So now I'm combing my hairs back, trying to get rid of that hard crust because we don't want that. We want our hair to be soft, and yeah. I'm gonna put my butter bronzer on the edges of the lace just to make sure it's blended and like scalp to the max. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let y'all just watch the rest of the video because I am talking a lot. So see y'all later. So I'm gonna give y'all a little bit more information about the wig. Okay, sis, for a straight wig, it curls nice. Like, look, this shit can hold a curl. I might have to fix it off camera. This shit cute. This shit cute, y'all. I'm gonna brush it, and then you know how celebrity styles be. So about this hair, it is 18 inches, super soft. The lace is a 13 by 4, which kind of sucks because I love a deep part, but this hair is like super good. It doesn't shed, like it don't shed at all, and that's really good. Like even when I washed it and everything, like I had no problems. It doesn't tangle. Like this hair is super good, like very good quality, especially for the price. I think I paid about $120, I want to say, for this, which is not bad at all considering how other places charge. This hair is by Beauty Forever. Just to reiterate, it came with a wig cap, which is black. If you because the lace is so freaking, like, it's some good ass lace. Like if you were to use the black cap, it wouldn't work. Like you would be able to see it. It would be, your lace would be detectable. So get a lace color, not lace color, a wig cap and your skin color, closest to your skin color, all that good stuff. And then what else about this week, y'all? Shipping was super fast. It took 3 to 5 days, came in 4. I ordered it Sunday night, got here today, Thursday. Yeah, I love this wig, y'all. I love it. If you want this wig, I will leave it in the description below. And you can also look it up. It is called the Hot Highlight Hair. Remember, it's on beautyforever.com. Well, beautyforeverhair.com. I can't keep my fingers out of it, y'all. Like this hair is so soft, so good. Can hold a curl. This hair is straight, sis. Okay, this hair is straight, and it can hold a goddamn curl. And it's easy to bleach. It's very easy to bleach. Like I showed y'all, this is a glueless wig. Like it laid down pretty well. Like I'm happy with it. I hope y'all go buy y'all wigs, same one, so y'all can be rocking this with me. Like so cute with a curl, so cute straight tip. Like I ain't have to go off like that, y'all. Like now I feel like beating my face, so y'all can like really see. Y'all can really see how cute this is. Like it's cute, natural, but baby, let me put a beat face on. Y'all not touching me. And if you get this wig, they're not touching us. Okay? So yeah, I think this wraps this video up. If y'all have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I will I will get back to you. And yeah, I love y'all. Thank you guys for watching my channel.